How to set custom text tone for contact on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the phone application on your iPhone. Once you're here, tap on the Contacts tab at the bottom of the screen to view your address book. Now, tap on All Contacts at the very top. Scroll through the list and select the contact for whom you want to change the text tone. On the Contacts Details page, tap on the Edit button in the top right corner. This will open the editing screen for the contact's information. Scroll down to find the text tone option and tap on it. You will be presented with a list of available text tones. Here, select any sound you prefer for this specific contact. Once you have made your selection, tap on the checkmark in the top right corner to save. Tap the checkmark again to finalize all the changes. Now, you can see the text tone for this particular contact has been changed successfully. Following these steps, you can easily set a custom text tone for a specific contact on an iPhone.